Hello and welcome. It's good to have you here again. This is question 44 of the WAEC 2017. Find the value of M in the diagram. We're talking about this angle, okay? So, and remember that the addition of the two interior opposite angles, that is this and this, we're talking about x plus 68 is equal to the exterior angle, which is 2x. So this is equal to 2x. So if we are now to solve for x, we will have is either this count or this goes there. Okay, let this goes to the other side. So we have 68 degrees equals 2x minus x, and this gives us x equals to 68 degrees. So now that we have x as 68 degrees, and remember that 2x, okay, let me write that 2x plus m is equal to 180 degrees because of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So now that we have x as 68, okay, plus m equals 180 degrees. Okay, so 2 times 68 will give us 136, okay, 136 plus m equals 180 degrees. So by the time we subtract these 136 from both sides of the equation, this is going to give us 44 degrees. So m is equal to 44 degrees. So the answer option C is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.